Are you struggling to get most of your Amazon ads without breaking the bank? In this video, I will reveal powerful strategies how you can make every ad dollar count so you can boost your sales, control your budget, and avoid common pitfalls that cause wasted ad spend. Now, most Amazon sellers make this common mistake of judging their performance on ads based only in ACoS. So what is ACoS? ACoS stands for Advertising Cost of Sale. And to calculate ACoS, it's your ad spend divided by ad revenue times 100 will give you your percentage ACoS. If you go to the ads, and then this product for that period made a spend of $1,288 and sale $2,291. Now, if we do that ACoS formula, which is ad spend divided by the ad revenue times 100 will give us 56.2. Most Amazon sellers will think this is too high and they should really reduce the bids and reduce everything and they start doing actions. And I'm not saying this is not high. It is high, but I am aware this is high because this product is still ranked. It's not ranked for most of the keywords, and I know this ACoS will go down with time. What I'm more concerned about is my TACoS. So that's the one I keep an eye on. So what is TACoS? TACoS is the percentage of your total revenue that's spent on ads. It measures how much dollars of total revenue, organic and paid. So unlike ACoS, it just calculates the paid. For TACoS, it calculates for each revenue you generate for every dollar spent on PPC. So this is TACoS. And how do we calculate TACoS? So we calculate TACoS, total ad spend divided by total revenue times 100. So to find the total revenue, we'll go to business report and search for this ASIN for the same period. And then do that calculation, which is the spend divided by the total revenue, according to business report, is 4,948.88. The TACoS for this one is only 26%, you see? So it's much better than the 56 ACoS. While you should usually aim to reduce your TACoS, you need to have an idea what's your ideal TACoS. So this depends on so many factors, like at what stage are you in your advertising stage? So what's your advertising goals? Are you ranking, or increasing profit, or you maximizing your effort? Which product stage is that product? How many reviews do you have? How well ranked you are for the most of the keywords? So it depends on all this. You should have an aim. What's your ideal TACoS that you need to reach? So as I said, with ranking for more keyword, you will reduce your TACoS. But don't reduce it too much. If you reduce it too much, you might be underspending and not utilizing all the ads options available to you to maximize your sales efficiently. So if your TACoS is below 5%, it means you're underspending and not utilizing all your available options to maximize your sales. What you can do instead, examine each SKUs separately to spot any overspending and optimize those campaigns. If your TACoS is very low, below 5%, it indicates that basically you're leaving money on the table. What I suggest you do is exploring additional ad types to increase your sales. So in Amazon, we have 3 ad types: sponsored product, sponsored brands, and sponsored display. What you can do is allocate some budget to each ad types to maximize your sales. So using those 3 Amazon ads, you can allocate 70% to sponsor ads, 20% of your budget to sponsor brands, and 10% to sponsored display. So this is a way to control your budget. Another way to control your budget is to control your ad budget. And there is 2 ways to do that. Either doing the fixed daily budget, which means setting a strict daily limit. For example, you can set up 100 daily cap in all your ad campaigns. For example, setting 100 daily cap in your ad account. So once this is reached, all the campaign will pause. So you basically set up $100 or £100 or €100 for the whole account, and it shouldn't exceed that amount. The second option to control it is basically setting out daily budget. There will be a little bit of fluctuation, but let's say you set up a budget for each campaign. So let's say you have 3 campaigns. Each campaign has $30. That means your total is $90. So each campaign, when the budget is finished for that campaign will stop. There'll be slightly a bit of fluctuation, so it won't be exactly 30, but overall on the 30 days, it should work out the whole budget for the month. So just to recap, we can control our daily budget and cost per click to test ads without any surprise cost. I've explained what is ACoS versus TACoS. ACoS measures the spend relative to ad revenue, while TACoS shows ad spend impact on the total revenue, and how we calculate TACoS, how we should do our ad budget allocation, how we can have granular control on budget control, choosing between fixed daily or average daily budget. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Comment below with questions on Amazon ads you'd like to see.